What is fluency? And when I will get fluency? How can I get fluency? I used to think like you when I was zero level. So if you are beginner like me, you should watch my video till the end. I know we are all beginners. We are all try to speak English. We are all try to become a good person. I know it. So please keep watching my video till the end, and I'm gonna share with you in this video what is fluency and how can I get it. So let's get started without delay. Hello, good morning, everybody. How are you all? I hope you are all fit and fine, fantastic. I hope that everything is going well. I am also so. Now I came here because of practicing English. As you know, it's my practice place. Who are regular viewers, they know about this place. It's my practice place, and it's time to practice English. And I every day come here for practicing English. Practice, I know it. The more practice, the more I will be able to speak English. So today topic is fluency. What is fluency? Then let me tell you, if I speak so fast, that's mean fluency? No, never. That's not mean fluency. Whenever you are going to make conversation with other person, whenever you are going to speak English with other person, that time try to speak English softly, clearly, gently, so that they can understand your English properly, so that they can use your sentences their day-to-day life. That's mean fluency. It's my opinion. As you can say, as far as I know about it, you have to make, whenever you are going to make conversation, try to use simple sentences with beginners. They can make sentences with your words easily. And fluency when comes? Fluency comes by practicing, by repeating, by retelling, by remembering. Otherwise, it never comes. When I was beginner, that time I used to think like you. I can't read English. I can speak English little bit. So when I will get success, when I will get fluency, but there are no shortcut ways to get success, to get fluency. We have to work hard. We have to practice every day. Practice makes man perfect, as you know. So it totally depends on you, how much practice you are, how much spending time you are, how much working hard you are. It totally depends on you. No matter how busy you are, no matter where you are starting from, no matter, you have to, if you want to do something better in your life, you have to work hard. Try to get into habit of practicing English. Get into habit of speaking English, because habit habit is habit makes great man. Habit makes man great. Sorry. So try to get into habit of speaking English. Try to get into habit of practicing English every day. Every single day you have to practice English a lot. Otherwise you will never get success. Otherwise you will never get fluency. Believe me, there are so many ways to speak English, to learn this language, to grow this language. It's a learning English, it's a long journey. So you have to be positive, always be positive, be patient. It takes time. When everything takes time, as you know, whenever you try to learn new things, really it takes time. We never think that if I practice 1 month, then I will be able to speak English. It's never possible, I think. You have to practice English regularly practice every day. You have to spending time a lot, then you will able to speak English, then you will be able to get fluency. And as a beginner, at first we should use simple sentences, no hard sentences. I don't want to use hard sentences. What if I don't use hard sentences? That's mean I am not able to speak English. That's mean I am not being able to speak English. Never. There are so many simple phrases you can use in your day-to-day life to speak English. At first you start. At first you try to at least try to start English. Everything try to speak in English. Like, this is a garden. Have a look. Look down. This is a garden. I love to planting seed. I love to pluck flower. I take care them. I water it daily. This type of small sentences help you to make a large make a large conversations, make a large sentences. It will help you a lot. Believe me. I used to practice like you. I used to think like you, when I will get success, I can speak English, but I am not being able to fluency. What's the problem with me? What's the wrong with me? What it happened with me? But I know it. By practicing, with practicing, you will be able to speak English. And believe me, I have improved day by day. I am improving day by day by this way. If you follow this way, then you will get fluency. After 6 months, at least you can speak English. After 6 months, really you will find. Thank you for watching my video, and try to get into habit of practicing English. Practice makes man perfect, and try to get into habit of speaking English. Habit makes man great. So thank you for watching my video. I hope that this video will be very helpful for you to get it what is fluency and when I will get fluency. So bye bye, see you again. God be with you.